So for everybody who's waiting for a stainless steel passivation video, here I did some testing the other day. Didn't get enough footage yet, but there's the machine. Here and there are the chemicals. So I've been working on this. And for everybody who's waiting on an Everlast video, and for everybody who was waiting for the ESAP video, so that thing didn't get done yet. So basically nothing got done, but I have a few pieces here, aluminum casting, and over here I have the matching transmission. So let's do some cleanup and weld it back together. So that's where the corner is missing.
Yeah.
And then like right here,
How can I take a video?
you see the crack coming around this way.
How can I see the crack coming around?
You want to see the crack?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come on up here.
Oh, who's this here?
UPS.
P.O.P.S.?
UPS.
P.O.
UPS. You know what UPS does? They deliver packages.
Yeah, but is it for me or you?
I don't know. Maybe it's for mommy.
Oh yeah, it's for mommy. Daddy, me.
Okay, here's the deal. You need to wear glasses.
Oh, for what?
For sandblasting. Alright, so I put the puzzle together here. This is about what it looks like. I don't like the little offset right there. You can tell there's a little offset, not much, so I'll clamp this. Then I weld a little bit back here somewhere. When this is kind of in place, I'm going to V-groove this, and this joint out. Then weld the joints, grind them flush. Then weld a little bit on the inside here. So what did I use here? I used rock mount Neptune 3/32 diameter, and I used 75 helium, 25 argon flow rate. And as you can see right here, I started kind of where there was a big gap right over there, so I didn't have to V it out. And it looks like we pretty much have full penetration all the way along. Now for good measures, I'm gonna go in there and back gouge a little bit on the inside, and then weld the inside. And then at the end, I'm gonna cut these and groove them, fill them in, and then we should be good to go. These wheels, especially for aluminum cutting, and then I believe the sandblasting does a better job than a stainless steel brush. Rather than massaging the dirt into it, the sand really gets in the crevices and the uneven surfaces and gets it all blasted out real nice.